This property is a 5-bedroom, 4 full baths, and 1/2 bath, colonial. Interior features of this property include a separate laundry room, a recreation or bonus room, a sunroom, a formal dining room, an eat-in kitchen, a finished basement, a whirlpool tub, built-in bookshelves, crown molding, natural gas heat, a family room, a library, a gourmet kitchen, and a kitchen island. On the outside, this property features an attached garage. The approximate square footage is 6,826 square feet.